Hello guys, welcome back. OnePlus is rolling out a new update for OnePlus 7 series, and this time it's for the stable channel. Update is rolling out in batches, so it might take some time for you guys to receive it on your device. As you can see here, I've still not received it on my device using system update section, but all the download links are given in the description below. You can download the file and do a local upgrade. I'll be including incremental update and full zips. Once you have downloaded the file, place it inside the internal storage and do not place it inside any of the folders. If you are already running stable channel, then you can download the incremental update. For OnePlus 7 Pro, the update size is 192 MB. Once file is placed inside the internal storage, go to settings, system update, tap on the gear icon towards the right top corner, select local upgrade and you can choose the file. Tapping on install now. Once installation process is completed, you can reboot your device. A device has been successfully updated. Let me show you the software information under about section, and here you can see OxygenOS build is 10.3.5. Under Android version is 10, and now we have received the 1st September 2020 security patch. With this update, no major additions have been done. After the update, launcher version remains same, which is 4.7.3 if you are not a beta tester. And also guys, OnePlus have rolled out its new dynamic live wallpaper. If you want to download, link of that will be given in the description below, and which can be installed on any OnePlus device. No major changes done with the camera. Camera version is 3.10.26. Still, OnePlus haven't added the optimized charging feature on OnePlus 7 series. Along with that, pocket mode is also missing on OnePlus 7 series. But one thing what OnePlus haven't mentioned with this update, now after you update your device to the latest stable version, they have also added this data connection switch during calls. If you have enabled this, you can switch data between both the SIM cards while you are on call. But you need to make sure both the SIM supports voice over LTE, and also you need to enable dual 4G. Now let's talk about the change logs. So here we have a list of change logs which are completely related to system, in which they have newly added user assistant feature to help user master usage skills. So this can be found inside the settings. Scroll down, at the bottom you will see a new section of tips and support. Basically it's a quite useful feature for people who are new to OnePlus, where you can get all the details about your device, like unlocking your phone, full screen gestures, quick settings, cloud services, OnePlus switch and camera modes. Usage tip can help you in taking screenshots, including expanded screenshots. You can also find out how to customize the launcher layout, emergency rescue services, customization of your phone and usage of Zen mode. After that, you can also search commonly asked questions. So here you can see we have FAQ, more questions, and you can also search questions by keyword. So this is one new addition done with the latest stable version of OxygenOS for OnePlus 7 series. After that, they have optimized the power consumption performance of the system and improve user experience. So about the power consumption, I'll let you know guys in the comment section below after using the device for a day or after 1 or 2 cycles. Then they have fixed the flashback issue with some third-party applications. I'm not sure about this issue. If you guys have faced, then let me know in the comment section below. And later fix some known issues and improve system stability. And the last one is security patch has been updated to 1st September 2020. So guys, basically with this update, we haven't got anything new like updated gaming mode, which is already available on open beta channel. Now let's talk about the benchmark results. With Geekbench application, single core have scored 761 and multi-core have scored 2596. With Antutu benchmark application, device have scored 4,70,859. So guys, this was a quick look on latest update for OnePlus 7 series. If you still have any kind of questions, let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.